Let's see how we can generate HTML reports for our tests using Pytest HTML. The first step is to go to Python package index page and search after Pytest HTML. Click on copy button, open a terminal, paste the command and just install it. Do not forget to add this to requirements.txt file, just like this. Now we have to log messages in our HTML report. For this, I will be using the logging module, which is installed with Python. As we can see on the documentation page, we can define a logger, which will be used to log the messages. Let's start with the test module. Define the logger variable, import dependencies, and call logging.getLogger function. And now we use it where we want to log something. For example, let's log here an info message describing the test. Now let's go to browser function and log some messages like starting test, the browser we use to run the test, the base URL, and an ending test message. Remember, we want to have a report which contains a minimum set of details we would expect to find when reading the HTML report. Now we can move on and start adding some messages in the page object classes. Same, define the logger, add a message for setTextArea function, logging the string we set here, and the web element details. Add a similar message for submitForm function. Do the same for this guy and log the actual message we read from the web form target page. And of course, feel free to add more messages based on your needs by following the same approach. We are done with the page objects and I want to add one more info in the test module before validating the message, just like this. We need to do one more configuration, and that is to set the log CLI to true and log CLI level to info. Go to project.toml file and under section tool.pytest.ini_options add log CLI and log CLI level. And that's it. Now we're ready to run the tests. The running command syntax remains the same, only that we will add at the end this extra part with --html equal report.html, where report.html represents the report name. As you can see, now we have this file called report.html. Let's go and open it and check the results. So this is the test report, containing all the messages we have logged, like starting test, browser used, base URL, the details from page object functions, the validation and the ending test message. Thank you for your time, and if you find this useful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.